Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to use the BeNaughty dating website. So the first thing you have to do is to visit the BeNaughty dating site. So go to Google or to your search bar and then type BeNaughty and then click on BeNaughty.com. Of course, be careful for the fake links. It should be BeNaughty.com like that. If it's not like that, it may be a phishing link. So be careful of that. Now here you will have to confirm that you are 18 years or older. So click on yes and then click on let's go. So I want to precise that this dating website is exclusively for American people. So if you don't live in the US, then you might get banned from the website. Basically, you cannot access it. So here for the sign up, you will have to select your age, let's say 18, and then your orientation. So a man looking for women, for example, and then you have to enter your zip code. So let's enter any zip code here, Corfu, for example, and then let's create a password. Say the password, put any password that you want, and then enter an email address. Click on Start Now. Here you will need to add a photo, so you can either take one or upload one. And then here just check the disapproval reasons. So these are pretty obvious, like under 18-year-old, celebrities, no people, group photos, etc. So just check these out. Click on this cross here, and then you will have all these people that you can either chat or like. So let's say you want to like this person, Erica, for example. Click on like, and then you can chat with her if you want. So click on chat here, and then you will open a chat box. So click on the message box here, and then type, for example, hello or whatever you want to type. And then here, it will begin a conversation with this person that you have just messaged. So now, another thing you have to know is that BeNaughty isn't free. So you will have 5 free messages at first, and then you will have to pay. So that's basically the business model of this app. You will receive many messages, you will receive many communication tries, but you will have to pay to maintain a conversation. So how to pay? You will just have to go to upgrade now right here. And then once you click on upgrade now, you will have multiple options for memberships. So let's say, for example, 1 month, it is at 57.13 cents. So you will just need to enter your card number and then just select the validity, the CVV, and then enter your name. Click on by clicking pay now, you accept to our billing policy, etc. And then click on pay now, and that's it. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This was pretty much how to use the BeNaughty dating website. I wish you the best of luck in your dating life. And I will leave you on this note. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.